Carroll University welcoming students back to campus this week.
Madeline Anderson explains how the college plans to reopen safely in the wake of coronavirus concerns.
Well, it's a refreshing sight to see students back on campus for the first time since schools had to abruptly close this spring amid the pandemic. Here at Carroll University, classes will resume in person for the fall semester, but with several precautions in place.
It's so nice to see people again.
When Liesl Couch volunteered to be an orientation mentor for freshmen her senior year at Carroll, she never imagined the training would include learning the school's coronavirus policies.
So they have a new software this year that's going to check everyone in to if there's ever an event or anything that is in person that tracks where everybody has been.
President Cindy Nattinger says Carroll has also added a second dining hall to assist with social distancing, is requiring masks in all buildings, has rented a hotel so that students living in residence halls won't have to share rooms, and is asking students, faculty, and staff to get tested for COVID before classes begin August 24th.
They must upload their results, and some of our students, unbeknownst to them, have tested positive even though they had no symptoms. So we've caught a lot of those asymptomatic students, and so they're now waiting at home before they can return.
I think it's normal to be concerned, especially as we're still in this pandemic, but I have a lot of optimism with Carroll having it under control.
Now that August 24th start date is actually 1 week earlier than when classes would typically resume. The school pushed up the start date so that students won't have to return to campus after going home for Thanksgiving break. Reporting at Carroll University, Madeline Anderson, Fox 6 News.
Really trying to think ahead here. Now, if a student does test positive for COVID-19 after returning to campus, they will be quarantined in a specific building off campus while continuing their studies virtually until they can safely return.